Christopher Kamper, is my seentjie Leighton Kamper. Ek wou maar die mee deel. Maar my vader was wegbeweeg het en dit was 'n seer tyd in my lewe gewees. Ek het nie wat geweet wat ek kan gegaan, ek het nie wat van support gehad nie. Maar het op my loopbaan gekom. Dit het my baie woedend gemaak, baie gefrustreerd gemaak, baie verbitterd gemaak. En dit sou baie graag voel ek as nie meer rede om te leef nie. En sien maar in kontak gekom. Baie wat ek geloof het saam met hulle, het dit vir my baie helder en ligter geword vir my. En het hulle my net gewys dat hulle is nie daar om die kind net weg te neem, maar hulle is daar om te staan as 'n mammie vir die kind as die papie alleen is. En hulle het my baie bygestaan. Sien maar as meer as 'n familie daar gewees en was meer as 'n moeder vir my seun gewees. Hulle het my meer bygestaan. Ek sal mense aanraai as jy voel jy het die rigting om te gaan in CMR kan daar wees vir mense om mense te kan help. In my experience sal ek dit voorskryf dat reg uit vir CMR, hulle sal kan help. Hulle het my baie goed gehelp. En ek is maar dankbaar vir CMR dat so baie bygestaan tot na hierdie eer toe.
I'm Chantal Stradon and this is Sipho Yako. And today is our celebration day. She's been adopted today and she's part of our family for real, although she was part of the family from the beginning when I took her home. And we went to the baby haven and we started to go there every weekend, myself and my two daughters. And there was this little girl that I absolutely fell in love with. I didn't go there to plan to have a daughter, but I think it was through God's plan that everything worked out the way it did. I actually had somebody that said to me, if you look into Sisipo's eyes, you look into your sister's eyes. The process was long and frustrating. Our file was lost so many times. It was really frustrating, but as soon as we started the process with CMR and with Petronel, I am so grateful. It's been absolutely amazing. The information, the love, the care, the dedication. I am so thankful, honestly. I cannot say thank you enough. And that is our story.
Today you were adopted.
Yes, you adopted today. Yes.
What does it mean for you
Yeah.
to do this work?
Okay, so I'm Petronel, the adoption social worker at CMR. We mainly do disclosed adoptions. Now that is adoptions where the details or the identity of the biological parents and the adoptive parents are known to each other. Examples can be like a step-parent adoption or a child that was in foster care that is now adopted, as was in Sipho and Chantal's case. But for me, adoption is really rewarding. I truly enjoy my job, and there's a beautiful story. It all ends up where a child has a permanent home and a permanent family, and I think that is it's a lovely process to be part of.
My name is Kanye Saki Yose. I'm a social worker at CMRPE. My satellite office is at New Brighton. Being a social worker, I must say, it's something that I've been wanted to be. Also, working for children, because I'm working in a child protection organization. Working with children, family of children, it's a challenging. Yes, it's a good thing to help, but it is challenging. Challenging to a point that there are cases that, especially the cases of abuse, it really touches my heart in such a painful way, because the cases that we deal with, houses that we go to when you are referred to a case of a child that is being abused, it's unbearable. So at times I would say to myself, sometimes I feel like I'm in the wrong organization or I'm in the wrong side of social work. Maybe I should have worked with adults, because really, it really touches in a painful way in the heart, like to see children being uncared for, like the mothers would be away for weeks. We told that they are away for weeks. The children are on their own. Some are still in nappies. Just imagine a child that is in nappy. hasn't been changed for days. So we encounter such cases. Other than that, it feels good to have positive stories. After we have rendered services to clients, and then we have positive stories whenever the client will come. For instance, I had a conversation with the clients telling me how the children are progressing, how are they taking care of themselves. Yes, they are not perfect, but they are progressing it in a positive way with our assistant. Sometimes we come to work, we do work as usual. Sometimes we forget that what we do has a positive impact. Then when the client comes in and then tell you the positive things about the children, now it reminds me that I'm really doing work, and it now clicks to me that I did the right thing, I did the positive thing. There are times even sometimes we take things for granted. There are times that I would pray to God that I pray that the case that I'm dealing with can be positive. I even pray for my whole cases. I even pray that, dear God, please protect the children. Please protect the children, because it doesn't come good when we hear that, when we see children being not cared for in a good way. So the experience for me for social work, it's a good thing. It's a calling from God. I must say that it's a calling from God. So we're doing it with our whole heart, and it's not an easy profession. It's not an easy profession.